Hello guys, today we're going to be playing Mini Cindy Trains by Matthewleg0. You might be asked, why are we playing Mini Cindy Trains? I'll ask you. I'll ask a question. This is a real life line made by Cindy in Australia. So this is the intro. Spin off and on. Let's play. And I'm so little, I'm so cute. Hey guys, the operator is me, Garden, and the tractor. Kinda mini too. And whoa. And the player spawn a train. And we spawn a train. Let's go to T-set.
May mga scaffoldings, no?
Let's go to 4 cars. Oh wow, just close. You see that? It's 4 cars. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is a base of real life train.
Guys.
You know Cindy from Australia.
PNR
If you
station
visit
na
Cindy
Espanya at parang
Australia,
may ganap dito.
you're awesome. We're gonna ride this.
Soil testing mga
Here.
kaibigan. Ito.
The max speed is 115. It's not a tutorial, but you can just like
Dalawa yung sabay dito na nag-soil testing.
So now we're moving. You see, because I put 4 cars so that it doesn't get
Sama
more
natin sa
heavier.
Espanya Boulevard and then dun sa may medyo gitna.
And now we're heading to a station.
As you can see.
This is
Yung
8
testing
Hill
na ganito
Station.
ay ginagawa bago tayo
8
siya ng
Hill
building.
Station.
Kasi para malaman nila kung
8
kaya
Hill
pang i-hold
Station.
ng
That's now we can go faster because this game is just mini.
poste. Kasi mabigat yun eh.
And we will visit that other line later.
Mga ilang tons din yun.
But now we're moving faster to
So,
115.
ganito yung
The
ginagawa
max
nila
speed.
muna. Soil testing.
But now we're gonna
So, bali
do
mag-update
it,
tayo
and
ngayon
that's the
dito
same
sa
train.
NSCR and then connector road.
And
Mula
then,
dito sa Espanya hanggang doon sa may Pandakan.
and now we're
samahan niyo ako.
approaching
Let's go.
Emu Park.
Yeah, dito last time.
This is Emu
ginagawa
Park.
yung
Sorry if I'm too
soil
fast,
testing
but I
sa
want
area
to
na to.
visit so you know.
Ngayon ay lumipat na sila dun sa likod natin.
Now
Sa malapit
there's
sa Espanya
a
Boulevard.
bridge and
Tapos
bypassing
yung mga
it.
ibang
Goes
kahoy
to
dito,
the track.
tinanggal na rin.
But that one will go
Iba.
closer from our track
Talagang
as we go.
mag-umpisa na
So
to
if you
dito
cannot
sa
understand what I'm saying, I think
Itong
it's too
contract
low.
package is 02.
If you visit to Australia, live in Australia, then you've probably been a cool guy that
Dito tapos na
that
dito eh.
visits
Nagbigyan
Australia.
na sila dito ng ano. Nag-pile load test na
I
sila
thought
dito.
we're gonna visit that later.
Static tsaka kainaan.
And we're heading to Penny Hill.
Tapos na.
So Penny Hill Station.
Daming mga
The
ano
reason
dito.
the Korean made these stations so that the players will know where they're heading
Nagamit sa
to.
mga poste niya.
I think there's a real life train station from Australia.
Hindi ko alam
And that's
kung
the
saan
other
yung
track from
NSCR.
the one from earlier. The other segment.
Okay, mga
That's
gamit nila
one
dito.
closer to us.
Kasi
Now we're
magkaiba
heading
naman
to
kasi ng
South
contractor.
Med. A South
Itong
Med.
connector road ay
If
CRPC.
you don't know Australia,
Mula
you can
Espanya
visit
hanggang
it,
dun
but
sa
the travel time will cost so expensive. So make sure to save up money.
Yung mga
Okay, there's a train passing by.
pre-package ng poste.
Okay.
Ay,
Now we're
gumagawa na
passing
sila
the
dito.
bridge again.
Talagang mini-welding muna.
And we'll complete this line.
Tapos dito
After that,
naman,
we get
parang umpisa na sila dito. May mga butas na.
Oy, super fast. And now we're
Parang
heading
umpisa
to
na sila
Red
dito sa mga
Town.
pilot test. Ayan, dito lang tayo.
That's Red Town Station. You can replay and then play the video again so that you can see the station if you didn't see it. Now we're curving to 115 speed and the train passing by. But the system don't know. Oh no, wait.
Yan, may mga, yung mga debris dyan, no, tinatanggal nila. Talagang
You know what, let's
pinapakit mo
just
dyan
get
sa,
out.
sa may pinakagitna.
Even
Ang
though
laking crane nito.
now we're back
Tapos doon may mga crane doon, no?
to this
Dalawa.
8 hills.
Tatlo.
Kinda
Tatlong
nice.
crane.
8 hills.
Tapos may boom truck sila dito.
We're not gonna visit to the other side.
Umpisan na dito siguro.
So depot. There it is. So this station is called Home Tree next to the depot. I don't know why, but whatever it is. Let's spawn a train.
Yan, okay to. Para
What the
sumunod
H
yung
then?
base na
Go to
doon sa
4 car.
papunta
Wait a
dun sa
minute.
Malolos kasi patapos na yun.
Ito,
Ito, hindi pa inumpisahan pa lang to.
Oh wait, no.
From
Wait,
bridge to
I think. Yep, it's the other train.
Grabe.
Wow, see that? That's cool.
Pakita ko na lang sa inyo yung drone shot sa
And
ginagawa
it's the
nila dyan sa
same
likod na.
max speed, so now we're going faster. And now we're gonna go to that station and around the.
Tatlong crane dyan ginagamit nila sabay-sabay. As dito naman, napansin nyo dito, yung mga puno. Kaya di ba tanggal na din ang mga puno? Sayang yung mga mangga dito. Tsaka, parang ibang puno dito na naiiba.
Oh, we're clipping! Okay, now we're going elevator. That's the one from earlier.
Maniwalas na, kung makikita nyo.
Okay, we're really fast. Listen to even though this
Tanggal
is a
na yung mga
line.
puno. Ito lang yun sana.
We're going curve and heading to South Med Station, the same station that we is on line 1.
Isang panok yun.
It was the same thing.
Naiiwan.
And now we're gonna go to an elevator. Now we're gonna elevate it.
Nandito yun sa may tapat na
We're
police
elevating very
station.
soon. This way. And now
Ano, liwalas na, di ba?
it's elevated.
Dati,
It's not
nung
yet.
nasa natin, may mga
We'll
sakyan
elevate
na
until
kaparada.
bypassing the tracks from
Ayan ay wala.
from the
Kasi
earlier.
yung mga puno dyan ay tanggalin na rin.
And
Kita-kita na yun.
now we're heading to Waterwall Station.
Nakalampasan natin kanina.
It's not the
So, ganito na yung
elevated yet.
sitwasyon. Wala na mga puno at maliwalas na.
So I have a feeling, and now we're elevated and bypassing the train passing by.
Dito naman sa banda dito.
That's fast.
Dito naman sa ilalim
Now
ng
we're
connector road. Parang may ginagawa silang dito,
No,
drainage.
it's not that.
O tama, drainage nga.
Now we're bypassing the line.
Nakunta pa sana magsaysay. Yung harapan
This
natin
is
yan.
Emo Park, the same
Nagawa
station
nila,
as we
napunta rin sana
reviewed
yung magsaysay.
earlier. Faster. This is a H
Dito
set.
puntang C3, Espanya, sa kaliwa. Yan yung mga gamit nila, mga barracks.
And this is Wynwood Station.
Dito. Itong mall sa tabi niya.
And
Kasi dati,
now-
tinepyes to Dun sa may
Now we're heading to
tabi ng
Home
connector road.
Street.
Alright, na tayo sa may bandang magsaysay naman. Para makita nyo. Let's go! Dito naman tayo sa may parating ng
So we're just gonna reset.
hindi pa ito,
Start
parating
the
sa may
out.
iglesia. Punaan tayo dito. Since nadaanan naman natin. Isa na natin sa vlog to para alam nyo rin yung nangyayari sa ilalim.
Okay, never mind.
Bago ito
So that was all of mini Cindy trains. Gotta say, the creator Matthewleg0 actually made it well nice. And mini Cindy trains are so incredible that I love them so much. But not a little, like a bigger one. So if you like this video, make sure to like and smash that subscribe button and don't forget to notification me for more updated videos. See you on the next videos of 2025. Bye!
Patuloy ng drainage.
See you
Yung
later
pupunta
in
dito.
2025. Hashtag go.